Hi, how you do? Welcome to the channel. My name is Joanne Richards Goff, aka Auntie Jojo, host of the annual Auntie Jojo's Health Challenge, and also author of the book Auntie Jojo Goes Vegan, a Jamaican story with tips and recipes for a healthier you. So today we are on day, let me see, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We are on day 5 of our health challenge being run on Facebook, Auntie Jojo's Health Challenge 2023. Not too late for you to come over and join us. And today, I just want to share a portion of the book Auntie Jojo Goes Vegan, and hope that maybe you can identify with something that I read for you today. And by the way, have you ever read a book about health that instantly motivated you to make changes in your life? If you have read such a book, please help us out. Drop a comment below and share with us the title of that book. All right, so now I am reading starting at page 6. I must have been in transformation mode during my high school years, but somehow didn't notice. I always had a low view of myself because of my weight and never thought I could ever be good enough, especially not pretty enough to be accepted by those who made that determination. At home, my dad would call me Fatso and Tumbletoad. In primary school, my name was Fatty. By the time I got to high school, I had graduated to Slobber. Hard for a person named Slobber to see herself as being beautiful, isn't it? It wasn't until some years after high school graduation that I looked at the 2 good photos I managed to salvage from among those that were taken and realized that I wasn't fat. Unfortunately, it was too late. I had already again blown up during my years at Teachers College. Teachers College was another situation completely. That was where my parents sent me after 2 insufficiently successful years in 11th grade at the suggestion of a highly respected teacher friend. Frankly, they just didn't know what else to do with me. This college had compulsory boarding. We lived together in flats, did our grocery shopping together at the on campus store, and cooked for each other. I had 3 cooked meals every day: breakfast and dinner cooked by us in the flat, and lunch cooked in the cafeteria. Oh, wait, many days I actually had 4 cooked meals. I would visit my close friend in her flat after classes and would often be there while their dinner was being served. Typical Jamaican hospitality dictated that they share their meal with me. Then I would go back to my flat, sometimes very late in the night, and my dinner would be waiting for me, covered up on the stove. Oxtail and beans, chicken with rice and peas, curry goat, stew peas with salt beef or pigtail, fried fish. Yes, by the time I was done with college, or college was done with me, I had to be rolled out. The slim person I saw in the high school graduation photos was no more. My weight after that was one of extreme yo-yoing. Whenever I thought I had got too big, I would take measures to lose weight. Not knowing much about healthy eating and weight loss, often the measures would not be safe ones. I remember my sister's wedding well. Remember, she was the skinny one. In fact, when she got married, she weighed under 100 pounds. Well, she wanted a picture perfect wedding, of course. And of course, that didn't include an overweight sister in what could have turned out to be an ill fitting bridesmaid's dress. To please her, and myself, if I am to be honest, I set out to lose sufficient weight to make us both proud. And I did. I did. I don't remember what my starting weight was, but I came down to my lowest weight, 124 pounds. The red dress was beautiful. How did I do it? My lunches were primarily cheese tricks and diet soda. Extremely nutritious. Not. About a week or two after the wedding, I was sick. The doctor said it was gastritis. Oh well, so much for maintaining that weight loss. I was never one for much movement and activity. I hated sweating. In fact, I think I felt that sweating was a sign that something was seriously wrong with me. Every sporting activity I got involved in, I ended up stopping for some good reason. I started volleyball. The ball almost broke my little finger. Not acceptable since I played the piano. No more volleyball. Netball? Twisted ankle. Hockey? Well, let's just say, have you ever been whacked on the ankle with a hockey stick? I was much happier lying in bed with a good book for hours than jumping around and sweating and jeopardizing my health. I can't even begin to calculate how much money I have lost with the gym. You know how usually at the beginning of the year you feel you're strong enough to take on anything? Well, that was usually me and the gym. So I would take out a 3 or 6 month membership. I would last at best 2 to 4 weeks. So my weight and my health would be up and down, and up and down, and up. You get the picture. And then a book changed my life. Books always played a major role in my life. They were my comfort. My mom went through a phase when she would shop for books for us throughout the year and present us with the stack at Christmas time. After a Christmas Day breakfast, which usually included ham, before mom started baking it herself, her good friend, Auntie Phyllis, would give us a generous portion of the one she had fixed for herself and her husband and present it to us at church early on Christmas morning, along with our Christmas dresses, which she had carefully and lovingly sewn. Eggs, bacon, plantain, and hard-dough bread or fried dumplings, aka Johnny cakes. We would wash the dishes and then open our gifts. Immediately after this, we would disappear to our rooms with our books, and no one would see us until it was time to eat again. We would get lost in those books that would take us to faraway and often magical places. It is therefore quite appropriate that a book should have been my introduction to the possibility of health transformation. To be honest, I wasn't looking for a book on health. I was simply looking for something interesting to read. I went into the bookstore and came out with a book by John McDougall. By the time I was finished reading that book, I was vegetarian. I don't know how I did it so quickly, given my love for meat. But there I was. The weight came off quickly, and down I went again. I'm going to stop here for now. If you want to read the entire book, which does have tips and recipes and even some broader stuff to do with your care for your body care, and natural things that you can use for your hair and your skin. Yes, go to Amazon and look for Auntie Jojo Goes Vegan, a Jamaican story with tips and recipes for a healthier you. And if you not join us yet on the health challenge over in Facebook, come over now, man. Look for us and apply to join, and we'll be happy to welcome you. Today is just day 5. We're ending officially on February 4. This is 2023. All right. Have a good one. Walk good and one love.